Hey guys, Kelly here with Mindful Bodyworks. So we're going to do some PNF stretches today for the neck. PNF stands for proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation, but don't worry, we just call it PNF for short, and you don't even have to know what that means in order to get the benefits of this stretch. So it's really important if you're having any nerve impingement issues to seek a medical professional. We are going to be doing some stretching and moving with the neck. This is to improve mobility and range of motion. So if you're having issues, I recommend you go ahead and see a doc first before trying anything that could make it worse. Okay, so let's get started. These are super effective. You want to sit up nice and tall. We're going to be turning our head towards the right. So I want you to go ahead and turn your head to the right until your range of motion stops you. So wherever your head stops, that's your range of motion. We're going to take our left hand, put it on our left cheek, and we're going to be physically pushing our cheek against our hand for 8 seconds. Okay? So we got our head turned to the right, left hand, left cheek, and here we go. We're going to push. So I'm pushing my cheek into my hand for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. So stretch for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we're going to do it again from wherever your range is right here. So keeping your head turned, we're going to go ahead and push into our hand for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And stretch again for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. So you should have seen some range of motion improvement with your neck. So now we're going to go ahead and do the other side in case you are someone that needs to do a video to get it. I'm a very hands-on learner, so this always helps me. So we're going to go ahead and turn our head towards the left this time. So you want to sit up nice and tall. We're going to take our right hand and put it on our right cheek. And we're going to push our cheek into our hand. So wherever your range of motion is, that's where you start. So here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And stretch for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And this is where we start, where we've stretched from. And we're going to push our cheek into our hand again for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And stretch for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So your range of motion should improve there too. Now keep in mind, we only did 2 passes on each side. You could do 3 to 5, especially if you're having some issues with range of motion. Maybe you woke up and you have a crick in your neck and you just can't move your head. These are absolutely wonderful for that. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. Feel free to comment in the box below. And make sure you like and subscribe. That helps support my channel, helps me know that taking time out of my day to make these videos is helpful. So be sure to like and subscribe and share. If someone woke up and they are at the gym with you and they can't move their head, feel free to share this video with them. Knowledge is power. So I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.